Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain you which one is better between REPLIT and Cursor. So REPLIT ideal for beginners and non-developers, offering a browser-based environment with AI assistance for building and deploying applications. Cursor suited for developers seeking advanced AI features integrated into a desktop IDE, providing tools like code-based understanding and smart rewrites. Then we have best for, so REPLIT those looking for an accessible platform to quickly prototype and deploy applications without extensive coding experience, and Cursor developers designing a powerful AI enhanced coding environment with deep integration into their local development setup. So basically that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.